Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! At kung ikaw naman po ay bago pa lang dito sa aking channel, super welcome po sa inyo. So, for today's video guys, nakita nyo naman sa aking title, ayan, paano tanggalin ang watermark sa KineMaster na editing apps. Ito na, kung ikaw wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, kung ikaw ay interesado sa video na ito, please keep on watching.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I
click ko yung download niyan. So, baliwala lang yan. Focus tayo kay KineMaster. So, ayan, si KineMaster, nagda-download na siya. Downloading. So, ayan, nagda-download. Ayan, okay. And then, settings ulit. Click lang yung settings na yan pag lumabas yan sa phone nyo. And then, allow from this source lang, katulad nung kanina. Then, install. Sa other phone kasi guys, wala namang lumalabas na ganon. Direct na siya. So, sa akin may lumalabas na ganon. So, pag lumabas yung ganon sa phone nyo, yan, click nyo lang yung settings. Then, allow. Okay, downloading na si KineMaster. Ayan, KineMaster app installed. So, done. So, tapos na tayo guys. Then, punta na tayo kay KineMaster. Gagawa tayo ng sample video para makita nyo na wala na siyang watermark. So, ayan. So, gagawa tayo ng sample. Piliin nyo lang dyan yung sa unahan, yung 16.9 at 16.9. Diba yan? And then, media. Pili ako ng video. So, sample video lang. Pero ang tagal kong pumili, ano? Ayan. Ano kayang video? So, ito. Piliin natin itong video na to. Nakikipaghabulan ako sa aking inaanak. So, ayan. Yung sample natin. Save natin siya or export. Ayan. Exporting na siya. So, after niya ma-export guys, so open natin siya. Para makita ninyo na wala na siyang watermark. So, ayan, na-export na siya guys. Ayan, video player. So, ayan, wala na siyang watermark. Hindi nyo na nakita yung KineMaster na watermark guys, diba? So, ayan, sobrang dali lang po niyan guys. So, thank you for watching. I hope may natutunan kayo. Okay, tapos na ang ating tutorial. At sana po ay meron kayong natutunan guys kahit na papaano. At kung meron na medyo na hindi kayo masyadong naiintindihan, comment lang kayo sa baba guys or message nyo lang ako. Nandyan naman sa description ng aking FB account. So, ayan, i-PM nyo lang ako guys. So, ayan. Bali, mag-shoutout naman na ako ngayon, guys. Bali, unahin ko muna si mega shoutout kay, pangalan niya, Marlene Jorillo. So, ayan. Yan, guys, si Marlene Jorillo. Ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo yung kanyang channel. So, ayan, guys, ang kanyang channel, guys. Si Marlene Jorillo. Ayan. Ayan, mega shoutout sa'yo, sis Marlene Jorillo. Okay, next naman po, mega shoutout kay Dixie's Channel. Ayan. So, ayan guys, ang YouTube channel ni Dixie's Channel. Ayan. Pinsan ko yan guys. So, siya, ayan, nag-YouTube din siya. Ayan. Ayan, mega shoutout sa'yo, Dixie's Channel! Ayan. At ito pa guys, hindi rin mawawala, mega shoutout kay Senyorito Onky! Ayan, ayan ang kanyang YouTube channel guys. Ayan, maganda rin ang mga ina-upload niyang video guys. Ayan. More on tutorial siya kung paano yung pag-shoot, kung paano kumuha ng magandang shoot. Ayan. So, ayan, gumagawa rin siya ng mga cinematic na video effect, ganon. So, ayan. Ayan. Uulitin ko guys, mega shout out kay Senyorito Onky. Ayan. next naman po, mega shout out kay Sanji. Ayan po ang YouTube channel ni Sanji, guys. So, ayan, flex ko lang po sa inyo siya. Ayan. Kung kayo po ay may mga channel dyan, guys, na hindi nyo pa friend, yung mga sinashoutout ko, ayan, feel free na makipagkaibigan po sa kanila. Basta iwan lang kayo, guys, ng comment. Ayan, alam niyo na yun. Alam niyo na. You know what I mean na, guys. Alam niyo na kung anong ibig kong sabihin, guys. And last but not the least, super mega shout out din po kay Rodeline Amistoso. Ayan, si Rodeline Amistoso, guys, ayan ang kanyang YouTube channel. Ayan, isa din po yan sa kaibigan ko sa mundo ng YT. So, ayan, mega shout out sa'yo, Rodeline Amistoso. Ayan, super sipag din yan, guys. Magparami ng kaibigan. So, ayan. Dito ko na po tatapusin ang aking video, guys. So, see you again on my next one. Bye-bye and God bless!